Let's be honest, nobody likes downtime. Whether you're a mechanic staring down a busted engine or a factory worker facing a stalled production line, downtime means lost time and lost money. That's where Total Productive Maintenance, or TPM, comes in. TPM is all about keeping things running smoothly, maximizing efficiency, and squeezing every last drop of productivity out of your equipment. Think of TPM as a proactive approach to maintenance. Instead of waiting for something to break down, you're constantly monitoring, maintaining, and improving your equipment. This involves everyone from the folks operating the machines to the ones fixing them. It's about teamwork, ownership, and taking pride in a job well done. In a nutshell, TPM is about working smarter, not harder. It's about preventing problems before they occur and creating a culture of continuous improvement. It's about getting the most out of your equipment and your team. And let's face it, in today's competitive world, who wouldn't want that? TPM isn't just some vague concept, it's a well-structured methodology designed to enhance productivity and efficiency. It's built on a solid foundation of 8 core pillars, each playing a crucial role in the overall system. These pillars work together to create a comprehensive approach to equipment maintenance and overall productivity, ensuring that every aspect of the operation is optimized. First, we have autonomous maintenance. This pillar is fundamental as it empowers operators to take ownership of their machines. This means operators are responsible for basic maintenance tasks like cleaning, lubricating, and inspecting for wear and tear. By doing so, they can identify issues early on. It's about catching small problems before they become big headaches, ensuring smooth operation. Next is planned maintenance. This pillar is all about scheduling regular maintenance to prevent unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs. Think of it like taking your truck in for an oil change. You're doing it to prevent a bigger, more costly problem down the road. Regular maintenance ensures that machines run efficiently and have a longer lifespan. Then there's quality maintenance. The goal here is to maintain equipment to a standard that guarantees 0 defects. This means identifying and eliminating the root causes of quality issues, ensuring that every product meets the highest standards. By focusing on quality maintenance, we can ensure consistent high-quality output, which is crucial for customer satisfaction. Focused improvement, also known as Kaizen, is all about continuous improvement. This pillar encourages everyone to contribute ideas for better processes. It involves identifying areas where processes can be streamlined, waste can be reduced, and efficiency can be boosted. Continuous improvement is key to staying competitive in the market. Early equipment management focuses on involving operators in the equipment design and selection process. This ensures that the equipment meets the needs of those who use it daily. After all, who knows the equipment better than the people who use it every day? Their input is invaluable. Training and education emphasize the importance of ongoing training and development for all employees involved in equipment operation and maintenance. A well-trained workforce is a productive workforce. Continuous learning ensures that employees are up to date with the latest techniques and technologies. Safety, health, and environment prioritize creating a safe and healthy work environment for everyone. This pillar is crucial for the well-being of all employees. This includes implementing safety procedures, providing appropriate personal protective equipment, and minimizing environmental impact. A safe workplace is a productive workplace. Lastly, Office TPM. While often associated with manufacturing, TPM principles can also be applied to office settings. This pillar focuses on improving administrative processes, reducing errors, and boosting efficiency in office environments. By applying TPM principles in the office, we can ensure that every part of the organization is running smoothly and efficiently. Together, these 8 pillars form a solid foundation for a productive, efficient, and high-quality operation. Now, you might be thinking, all this sounds great, but what's in it for me? Well, implementing TPM can lead to a whole host of benefits for your business. Let's break it down. First and foremost, TPM can significantly improve your equipment efficiency. By reducing downtime and unplanned maintenance, you're maximizing the amount of time your equipment is up and running, producing goods and generating revenue. Speaking of downtime, TPM can drastically reduce those costly interruptions. Remember those unexpected breakdowns we talked about? TPM helps you avoid those, minimizing production delays and keeping your operations running smoothly. And when you reduce downtime, you naturally reduce costs. Less downtime means lower repair costs, less wasted material, and a healthier bottom line. It's a win-win situation. But TPM isn't just about the machines, it's about the people too. By involving operators in the maintenance process, you empower them to take ownership of their work, boosting morale and creating a more engaged workforce. Section 4. Getting your hands dirty implementing TPM in your workplace. This section will guide you through the practical steps of bringing total productive maintenance to life in your organization. All right, so you're sold on the benefits of TPM. You've read about the increased efficiency, reduced downtime, and improved employee morale. But now comes the real challenge. Now, how do you actually go about implementing it in your workplace? It's not just about understanding the theory, it's about putting it into practice. First, you need to prepare your organization for this change. Before you dive headfirst into TPM, it's crucial to lay the groundwork. This involves a series of preparatory steps that will set the stage for a smooth implementation. This means getting buy-in from management, which is essential for securing the necessary resources and support. Educating your workforce on the principles of TPM is equally important. They need to understand why this change is happening and how it will benefit them. Setting clear goals and key performance indicators, or KPIs, to track your progress is another critical step. These metrics will help you measure the success of your TPM efforts. Next, TPM is a team effort. It's not something that can be achieved by a single department or individual. You'll need a dedicated team consisting of individuals from various departments, including operations, maintenance, engineering, and management. This diverse team will bring different perspectives and expertise to the table. This cross-functional team will be responsible for driving the TPM implementation process. They will coordinate efforts, share insights, and ensure that everyone is aligned with the TPM goals. Then take a close look at your current operations and identify areas where TPM can have the biggest impact. This requires a thorough analysis of your processes and equipment. Focus on areas with high downtime, frequent quality issues, or significant potential for improvement. These are the areas where TPM can make the most difference. By targeting these critical areas, you can achieve quick wins that will build momentum for your TPM program. Fourth, equipping your workforce with the necessary knowledge and skills is paramount to successful TPM implementation. This is not a one-time training session, but an ongoing educational effort. Provide comprehensive training on TPM principles, methodologies, and tools to ensure everyone is on the same page. This training should be practical and hands-on, allowing employees to apply what they learn immediately. Regular workshops, seminars, and on-the-job training sessions will help reinforce these concepts and keep everyone engaged, and tools to ensure everyone is on the same page. Finally, remember that TPM is not a one-time project. It's an ongoing journey. TPM is not a one-time project. It's an ongoing journey. Encourage a culture of continuous improvement by regularly reviewing your processes, identifying areas for optimization, and implementing changes to enhance your TPM program over time. Encourage a culture of continuous improvement by regularly reviewing your processes, identifying areas for optimization, and implementing changes to enhance your TPM program over time. This will ensure that your TPM efforts remain effective and relevant. By following these steps, you can successfully implement TPM in your workplace and reap the benefits of a more efficient, productive, and engaged workforce. Section 5, Success Stories from the Trenches, TPM in Action. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty and look at some real-world examples of companies that have successfully implemented TPM and reaped the rewards. One shining example is Toyota, a company that's practically synonymous with efficiency. They were one of the pioneers of TPM, and it's a key factor in their legendary production system. By implementing TPM, Toyota was able to achieve near zero breakdowns in their facilities, drastically reducing downtime and improving productivity. Another success story comes from the manufacturing giant Caterpillar. They implemented TPM at their facility in North Carolina and saw remarkable results. They experienced a 60% decrease in equipment downtime, a 40% reduction in safety incidents, and a significant improvement in overall equipment effectiveness. These are just a couple of examples of how TPM has helped companies across various industries achieve significant improvements in efficiency, productivity, and profitability. Section 6. The future of productivity. Embracing TPM for long-term success. In today's fast-paced business environment, staying ahead of the curve is more critical than ever. Companies are under constant pressure to innovate, adapt, and improve their processes to stay competitive. Companies are constantly searching for ways to optimize their operations, reduce costs, and boost their bottom line. This relentless pursuit of efficiency and productivity is what drives the need for effective maintenance strategy. And that's where Total Productive Maintenance, or TPM, comes in. TPM is a comprehensive approach that integrates maintenance into the fabric of daily operations, ensuring that every piece of equipment is always in top condition. TPM is not just another management fad, it's a proven methodology that has delivered tangible results for companies of all sizes and across various industries. From manufacturing to service sectors, TPM has shown its versatility and effectiveness. It's about creating a culture of proactive maintenance, continuous improvement, and teamwork. This culture shift encourages employees to take ownership of their equipment and processes, leading to a more engaged and motivated workforce. By embracing the principles of TPM, businesses can unlock the true potential of their workforce and equipment. This not only enhances productivity, but also fosters a sense of pride and responsibility among employees. They can minimize downtime, reduce costs, improve quality, and gain a competitive edge in the marketplace. The benefits of TPM extend beyond the factory floor, impacting overall business performance and customer satisfaction. So if you're looking for a way to take your business to the next level, TPM is the answer. It's a strategic investment that pays off in the long run, providing a solid foundation for sustainable growth and success. It's time to ditch the reactive approach to maintenance and embrace a proactive, holistic strategy that will transform your operations and set you on the path to long-term success. With TPM, the future of productivity is within your grasp.